consummate expert on AI. An AI optimist, the lessons and insights she shares are born of her rich experience as a technologist and an executive working across numerous industries. In this book, Beena helps you cut through the noise and discover the knowledge and practical steps your organization needs for a trustworthy future with AI. In this book, you will discover the many dimensions of AI ethics and trust, the questions they prompt, the priorities for the organization, and some of the best practices that contribute to trustworthy AI governance. One lesson that permeates this thoughtful investigation of trust is that enterprise leaders should resist the clarion call of "everyone uses AI, so must you." Fools rush in. Instead, AI application requires a close consideration of trust, with questions focused not just on whether the organization can use AI, but whether it should, and if it does, how can it do so ethically? As you go through this book, consider how the lessons and insights can help your enterprise develop a plan for using AI. Think through goals, use cases, application, management, training, and policies, and how the dimensions of trust influence and are influenced by these qualities. This book helps you conceive of a strong ethical foundation for AI and identify the plans and processes that engender confidence and trust in these powerful tools. The capabilities and application of intelligent machines are evolving fast, even faster than most might realize. To capture the most benefit and mitigate the most challenges, we must take up the banner of trustworthy AI and carry it with us as we charge ahead into this bold new era with AI. K. Firth Butterfield, Head of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, World Economic Forum. Preface. There are clear turning points in human history, and we are in the midst of one. Artificial intelligence is changing the world before our eyes at a breathtaking pace. There is no segment of society nor slice of the market that will go untouched by AI, and this transformation has the potential to deliver the most positive impact of any technology we have yet devised. This is cause for optimism and excitement. The era of AI has arrived. Today, we can predict jet engine failure to improve safety and prevent disruption. In medicine, we can detect diseases earlier and increase chances of patient recovery. Autonomous transportation is evolving across land, sea, air, and outer space. And every aspect of doing business is receiving new, valuable, powerful solutions. Faster customer service, real-time planning adjustments, supply chain efficiency, even AI innovation itself. All have radically changed and improved with the cognitive tools now deployed at scale. There has arguably never been a more exciting time in AI. Alongside the arrival of so much promise and potential, however, the attention placed on AI ethics has been relatively slight. What passes for public scrutiny is too often just seductive clickbait headlines that fret over AI bias and point to a discrete use case. There's a lot of noise on AI ethics and trust, and it does not move us closer to clarity or consensus on how we keep trust in AI commensurate with its power. Anyone who has worked in an enterprise understands the challenges inherent in integrating new technology. The tech implementation, training, equipment investments, process adjustments, seizing value with technology is no simple matter. How much more challenging, then, is it to simultaneously drive toward nebulous concepts around ethics and trust? Yet the challenge notwithstanding, enterprises do need to contend with these matters. Fortunately, there is every cause for optimism. We are not necessarily late in addressing trust and ethics in AI, but it is time for the organizations to get moving. That recognition was the catalyst for this book.